Hello friends, welcome again. This is Rajan. I hope you are doing great. So last week I uploaded a video of my top 5 trades of 2021. In the comment section, few of them were requesting for top losses of 2021 as well. So I thought of doing a video on that as well so that it helps. Before that, please make sure to like this video and also comment if you have any other doubts. So the first stock would be Jcor. Let me draw the pattern. This is daily time frame and this is the pattern, and at the bottom it's not very clear. The reason why I entered is because of the huge bullish candle breaking out of a major resistance, right? 1 2 3 4 kind of a 5 resistance and huge bullish candle, and I thought the price would move up, but no, I entered around here. Okay, and I put my stop loss below this, okay, this candle, this wick, because there has been a huge buying pressure, there has been a buying pressure, there has been a buying pressure. I thought, okay, let me just put my stop loss below this. So basically I invested around 5 lakhs in this trade, and I had to exit my trade once this candle formed. Okay, let me delete this, and the total loss was around 74,000, I guess, somewhere around 72 to 74, and I had to exit it. Okay, sorry, I did not exit here. I remember waiting for this as it bounced back from here. I remember, so I had to exit in this candle, either this red candle or this red candle. Okay, sorry for the mistake. Like this is not where I exited. I had to exit below this candle, right? So it was either this candle or this candle. Okay, so I'll just place the link of that particular video and you can go and check it out, okay, in the description. Right after I exited, it moved, man, it moved like crazy, 100%. So it was kind of an unlucky trade. Shit happens. We just have to move on. Probably right after my, if you just measure it from my entry, it's probably 55%. So that is around 2.5 2,75,000 or something of profit. I missed it and I booked a loss of 74 or something like that, which is completely fine. And things happen because I do get lucky and I make huge returns, so I have to be okay with this kind of incident as well. And right after that, the stock has been on a consolidation. Okay, so yeah, pretty much it. This is the one loss that I made, and another one is Subex. Okay, so this stock, it was trending very nicely right from the April 2020. It has been trending, and there was a consolidation, a nice move, consolidation, a nice move, consolidation, a nice move, and again a consolidation, a nice move. What happened was I entered here at the top, which is kind of a mistake. Okay, this is the place where I entered, and yeah, I waited until this point. Okay, this point, because it was nicely consolidating. Nowhere it was showing a bearishness. So this candle, it confirmed me that okay, this is a bearish, I mean, the bears are here and the price is going to either go down or sideways. So this is where I exited this candle close, because this confirmed me that there is not going to be any up move. Correct? After this huge red candle, it's unlikely to happen, and that is why I exited here. So basically I invested around 7 lakhs, and I think the loss is around 1,86,000 in this trade. Poor entry, honestly speaking. I should have probably entered at the bottom, or looking at the huge candle, if you just measure the risk also, it was quite high. But again, my plan was to enter here and put my target somewhere twice of my risk or something like that, because I was prepared to hold. I can hold, I have the capability, but it just didn't work out. Okay, so this is again a very good stop loss hit trade. So Lincoln Pharma, this is the trend line, right? And it broke out of it, and again this is a trend line, and instead of entering here, I entered here. I knew the risk, and that is why I allocated only a very small capital. So basically I deployed around 6 lakhs again into this trade, and instead of entering here, I entered here. But if I were to enter here, I would have deployed more capital, like 10 to 12 lakhs. And either way, even if I had entered here, it would be a stop loss hit for sure. I'm still holding because I set the stop loss here because of this area. So my stop loss is below this, and so far it has not hit my stop loss. Currently the loss is around 65 to 70,000, and probably when the stop loss is hit, the stop loss, I mean the loss would be around 1 lakh. So these are the trades. So sometimes you will not be able to enter at the right price, and this happens. So what you can learn from this is, let's say you are entering at low conviction setups. What you have to do is allocate your capital based on that, because all these trades I did not make a huge loss because of my capital allocation, because of the smart position sizing. That really helped me here. Nothing much, not the technical analysis, not my entry, just my position sizing helped me in all these losses. What if I was investing 30 lakhs or 25 lakhs like my other trades, right? So I deployed the capital based on the conviction and how confident I am on this particular setup. So basically I was pretty okay with this setup because it was coming out of it, but at the same time I didn't want to invest so much at the top, right? As I mentioned, I would have invested around 10 to 12 lakhs here, and probably it would have been the same loss of what I'm incurring now, right? So yeah, that these are the losses, and I still have one major loss, guys, in my holdings, which I am still holding. I'll save that for a different video, probably next year. That's quite a huge loss. I'm waiting. Okay, so I'm not going to share much about that, but I'll update that on at the right time. And yeah, you guys wanted my top losses of 2021, and here it is. I hope you liked this video. I hope you learned something from this, and please make sure to like this video and also comment if you have any doubts. Thank you so much.